Абхазы, абхазы, вас мало! Нечестный, неправедный бой!
In the heart of Chechen valor and undying legacy echoes the melodic voice of Imam Alimsultanov. A man whose life story is as compelling as the history of his people, he crafted a legacy with every note he sang, weaving the pain and pride of the Chechen spirit into a tapestry of soul-stirring music. Born in exile and shaped by the trials of his past, Imam became a beacon of hope and resilience for his nation. Through his songs, he carried the tales of Chechen heroes and poets, bridging generations with melodies that resonate with strength and sorrow. Born in Kyrgyzstan in 1957 to Chechen exiles, Imam's early years were shadowed by the memories of his people's forced deportation. Yet from these somber beginnings, a profound voice would emerge. By the mid-1980s, Imam began weaving the tapestry of his heritage into music. His voice became a bridge to the past, carrying the tales and valor of Chechen heroes and poets, including Umar Yarecheva and Musa Geshayev, into the hearts of future generations. Songs like Gazavat, Dagestan, and Chechnya transcended mere melodies, becoming anthems of resilience and pride. Imam's music wasn't just heard, it was felt. Beyond the world of music, Alimsultanov stood as a man of action. He didn't just sing about valor, he lived it. During the Georgian-Abkhazian War of 1992 to 93, while leading a unit of the Chechen battalion, his bravery was undeniable. For his valorous service, he was awarded the highest state honor, the Hero of Abkhazia title. Then came December 1994. The First Russian-Chechen War began, and Alimsultanov found his calling amidst the chaos. He wasn't just a performer, he became a beacon of hope. Singing for the Chechen fighters, he lifted their spirits, battling despair with every note. Following President Jokhar Dudayev's request, Alimsultanov took on a mission of mercy. He escorted injured fighters to Turkey, ensuring they received the care they needed. And in Istanbul, his voice did more than entertain. It inspired. Through his performances, Alimsultanov rallied support, gathering funds for his injured comrades.
Родной войнахской, обжитой земли. И как животных скотские погоны.
Tragedy struck on a cold night, the 10th of November, 1996. Three men, disguised in police uniforms, breached the sanctuary of Alimsultanov's residence in Odessa. In a heart-wrenching turn of events, Alimsultanov and two of his colleagues were taken from this world. Their lives ended at close range. Miraculously, one witness, hidden away in the bathroom during the attack, survived, bearing a tale of sorrow and loss. The shadows of this crime linger, unsolved. Alimsultanov's journey on this earth ended, but his legacy is immortal. He rests in Dagestan, where the streets whisper his name, a tribute to a life of profound impact. And so, the melody of his existence continues to echo through time, inspiring tales of heroism, resilience, and the unyielding pride of the Chechen, and of course, Abkhazian people. Imam Alimsultanov, the melodious voice of Chechen valor, whose legacy will forever resonate in the hearts of those he touched.
Allahu Akbar.